Assalamu alaikum guys. Today we are going to Wadi Hanifah for a barbecue and our friends are also coming. After Eid, this is our first barbecue program.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज हम जा रहे हैं वादी हनीफा बारबेक्यू के लिए। दोस्तों का प्रोग्राम है और ये आहिल मसब और अफराज पीछे बैठी हुई है।
You have destroyed this. I don't know. What? How did I destroy this, bro? I didn't destroy that. How did I destroy this one? There's something there. What I mean? Holy boy. Yeah, bro. I can't, bro. You all die. What's better than 2 shooters, 3 shooters? What's better than 3 shooters, 4 shooters?
But the Gatling stop.
What's better than 4 shooters? 5 shooters.
Stop it, damn stop. Keep running.
What's better than 4 shooters? 4 shooters. If you do this, what should I mean?
Amelia, so woman was animal. I like to one. That is my.
ये साइकिलिंग का ट्रैक भी बनाया गया है इधर अभी वादी हनीफा में और साथ वाटर ट्रैक भी है। ये वादी हनीफा में हम अभी पहुंच चुके हैं। ये रियाज़ में बहुत ही खूबसूरत लोकेशन है वादी हनीफा। यहाँ पे काफ़ी लोग आते हैं बारबेक्यू के लिए। Wadi Hanifah.
Today is
Hanifah. We came here for barbecue.
We came here for barbecue.
My friend is there.
And my friend here called me ham. And I love Ablish. I'm happy Ablish here.
Abrish is coming, okay.
And Ablish is coming. And I'm now gonna be half again.
Che dice c'è, vedo da così da.